Every year, every accredited school has to undergo GAAP standard audits. What we've been doing for the last 10 years has been gathering that financial aid data, putting it into Excel spreadsheets, calculating it, making sure it's accurate, spending an insane amount of time getting these reports ready. We approached Orbund and we said, hey, can we have a very custom report to make it work for us and our auditors? Orbund was happy to take that task on and built it wonderfully. The report that they put out has made our audit process effortless. I'm Sam Yarmagyan. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Sacramento Ultrasound Institute. We do ultrasound, X-ray, MRI, diagnostic imaging related programs. Most of your program is related to clinicals. So you're split between admissions, financial aid, how do the things interact with each other, or when the students go out to clinicals, how do you manage it all? Running bigger programs like that, it becomes very complicated very quickly. We've been using Orbund for over 6 years now and couldn't be happier with an SIS. The financial aid packaging software pulls live data from Orbund. And so what that does is it allows the financial aid counselor to work with the student instead of doing mundane tasks. When the disbursements come in, it automatically knows who that disbursement is for, automatically applies it. It's cut down the workload dramatically. One staff could do the equivalent of 3 employees could do before we switched over to Orbund. When we started Orbund, we were just around 50 students in total. I mean, we were small, maybe 5 employees in total. It offered those solutions and those features that the big systems had at a reasonable cost that a small mom and pop school like us could absorb. Now we're approaching 300 and have a team of 40 employees, so Orbund has been instrumental in that growth.